Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to activate AustralianSuper account. In order to activate your AustralianSuper account, you'll need to follow the simple steps, so let's get to the video right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then type in AustralianSuper.com inside the URL box. You will end up in the official site for AustralianSuper. In order to activate your account, go to the top right corner and mouse over the Join option and click on the Super option from the pop-up. You will now end up in the registration page for AustralianSuper. Before you start off with your activation or registration, you will need to have some numbers handy. You'll need to have your tax file number, your employer's ABN, and also need to prepare to make investment and insurance decision and nominate your beneficiaries. Go to the right hand side corner of the screen and type in an email address you would like to activate your account with. Once you provide your email, click on this I have read box at the bottom and click Get Started. Now enter the rest of the information such as your first name, your date of birth, and then your gender. Once you are done making the selection, click Continue. Write down your address information on the next page. If you currently live in Australia, make sure to check Australia option. If you are residing outside Australia, check on this next option and fill in your information in the text boxes. After filling in your address information, that is your address line 1, and then after entering your address information in the correct text boxes, click on Continue. On the next page, type in a phone number and scroll down to subscribe to the new daily. If you want to subscribe to the new daily, make sure to check this I want to subscribe to the new daily news site box at the bottom. If you don't want to do that, you can leave the box unchecked and click Continue. On the next page, go through the information and then click Continue once again. Follow through the instructions till the end. After you accepted the terms and conditions and declaration of the AustralianSuper, click on Continue, and then you will then be able to review all of your details and click Submit. Now you will be able to find yourself on this page. You've now become the member of AustralianSuper. This will be your member number. You will need to wait for your account to be ready to use. Make sure to keep this member number for future use. After your account is ready, you will be emailed on the provided email address, and that way you will be able to activate your AustralianSuper account. Look for any email that you may receive from AustralianSuper and follow through the prompts in order to start using up and setting up your account. It'll take 2 business days for your account to set up. You'll receive an email once it is completed. Make sure to keep in handy the important details for you that is attached on your email. So that was how you can easily activate AustralianSuper account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.